In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Zillow Rental Manager. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. To use the tool and access all of its features, you need to visit the Zillow Rental Manager website. So go to zillow.com/rental-manager and you will be able to access it on here. Alternatively, look for Zillow Rental Manager on Google, and after you arrive at this page, you will have plenty of options to choose from. To start using the tool right away, all that you have to do is click this button, list your properties for free, or you can explore through different options, rental listings, tenant screening, online leases, rent payments, and other resources. For this video, I'm only going to cover how to set up your property and make sure that it is listed under the Zillow Rental Manager. So click on list your properties for free and you will be able to start the process of having your property set up. You might have to sign in to the website, but for the most part, after you are done, you will be able to include the crucial details. Make sure that everything that you include here is valid and legitimate. I'm only going to be doing this video for demonstration purposes, so the information that I'm going to enter here will not be accurate. Keep that in mind. Double check everything and carefully take your time, but as long as you include valid information about a house, condo or apartment unit, townhouse, or an entire apartment community, you will be able to have everything set up inside of the Zillow Rental Manager. Choose between all of the options and then create the listing. You can also go into see all available actions to change some property information. If everything looks okay, confirm and it is going to be attached to your account. Once this is done, you will be able to see the dashboard and manage this property, including the option to create a listing. So if I reload the page, it should appear under all my properties. Now, your property is here and you can click on it anytime to manage it. You will see all of the details, including the upcoming payments, if it is on the market or off the market, and different options related to application, leases, payments, etc. Like I said in the beginning, because there is a lot to explore and usually this contains too many personal information, I cannot show you the full process, but creating the listing is extremely simple and all you have to do is click on list your property and follow the instructions on screen. You will have to validate your identity, confirm some details about the location, and you will be able to have it up inside of Zillow. You can describe it, add all the information, pictures, videos, etc., and review everything before having it up on their service. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Zillow Rental Manager. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.